Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. This time we are planning in my Hobonichi weeks in Hedgehog. This is what it looked like. This is 2018, but this is a spring start, so I won't be starting my 2019 Hobonichi weeks until like later in the year. So today we are going to be using this kit called Gifts and Sweets, and this is what it looks like. So this is the first page. Very green, very Christmassy, because I'm now going to start my Christmas kits time. I've got a lot of Christmas kits for you to choose from. This one in particular is a photo kit. This one is in glossy paper, and you have your date cover-ups, your strip sticker, your checklist bar, and these are dots, and 3 label stickers, 3 decorative circle stickers, and then you have the next page. The second page looks like this, and you have your bottom bars, the left one and the right one, some teardrops, and your script stickers. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so when I'm posting this, I'm gonna be posting this on the 15th, and the day after, the 16th, is the start of my Countdown to Black Friday series. So there will be a video every day. I have, I think, 7 planned for now. And I am very, very excited for you guys to see all the videos that I have filmed for you for Black Friday. It's gonna be super fun. And I have some flip through of my Hobonichi, all the books. So this Hobonichi weeks, and also my Hobonichi A6, and my other Hobonichi weeks, by the way, and my Hobonichi cousin. So if you would like that, please go ahead and watch my videos that I will be posting every day for my Hobonichi, or rather Countdown to Black Friday. So Hobonichi books, if you are new to it, they release two times. Well, in a year. You have your January start, and then you also have your spring start. And to be honest, a lot of my planners are actually spring start. So actually, the only planner I have that is not spring start is my Hobonichi waffle, but everything else is spring start. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down, oh okay, so I haven't been talking. So this is how you use your stickers in the kit. You have your date cover up, you have your strip. Sometimes I put the strip up there, but this time I put it here right next to this because it makes a little scene, and I think that's really pretty. You have your checklist. You can put your checklist anywhere on the left side of the page, or even this side of the page, but I choose to put it there most of the time. And then you have your bottom bar for the left page, and now I have here the bottom bar for the right page. Of course, you can use it anywhere that you would like, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it down here where it was designed to go, because I know that though next week is like a very busy week for the shop, it's also going to be very busy for school. This is my school planner. I am a student. I am a grad student. And if you have been following me for a while or watching my videos for a while, you know that I am a grad student for archaeology. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and line up or deepen the lines of some of this using this ruler and my favorite, Pigma Micron. This is the one in O2. There are several tip or points that you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and line this up, and I will be right back. Okay, and this is what we have so far. So all of the lines have been deepened. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing for here. And I'm just going to follow the line from here that aligns, okay, follow this line and deepen whatever line matches this. And I will be right back. And this is what we have so far. So one last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to deepen the line, this line that runs across from top to the bottom of the page, but I'm not going to go all the way down, and it's just going to be like this, and this is what it looks like. I think I'm going to line these as well because it's looking a little sad and uneven. So just to make it look more symmetrical, I'm going to go ahead and line it up. And there we go. And then this one, I think the next Hobonichi will have darker lines, and if that would be the case, I don't think I'll need to line anything anymore, but it just looks good like this. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my stickers. So here is what we have for the first page, and then we have the next page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put down my script stickers. So weekend, there you go. It should go all the way across. And then you have tinier script stickers. I always have goals on here. Actually, if you have been a long-time viewer, you know that I used to not have goal stickers. Put it here. Script stickers, I mean, in the shop, but somebody requested it, and I was just so happy that I did it, since it has helped me a lot every week. Do you also set goals? Comment down below. And now I'm going to go ahead and use today and to do. Just going to pull it off here. So today goes here. I'm going to cover that up because I don't use it. And then to do goes here. And the last script sticker, notes, go here. Just like in my other planner, what I do is if I have any to do or know anything, any to-dos, or have any list of to-dos that I already know at the beginning of the week or before the day itself, they all go here. And then if anything comes up, they go here. So it's not just to-dos over here, but things that I have accomplished go on here, like any updates, if I read anything, or if I need to remember something, they all go here or even here. So now I have this left. I'm going to go ahead and put it down on here. Oh no, wait, hang on. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put down my label stickers first. Something is happening on Monday, so that's very important for me. I'm going to put it down here. And then Wednesday is also very important. I'm going to school. And then last day is here. I'm going somewhere also. There you go. I especially like to mark like home or shop things in the headers, because then I'd know if I'd have time to do schoolwork. Mainly it's used for time management. Well, this planner is used for time management. So I have dots here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 at a time for each day. Ooh, I'm gonna take that and take this. By the way, I do have 2 types of sticker paper in the shop. I have this glossy one. It is very, very thin, thinner than any paper that I've ever had, and it is fountain pen friendly. If you use fountain pens, then you would definitely like this, but or you would definitely not have any feathering or any problems with fountain pens using this sticker finish or sticker paper. But I also have matte. Now the main difference is that the matte is white and the glossy is cream to match the Hobonichi. Originally, we only had a glossy sticker option because it's really something that we worked hard, me and my partner, my business partner, worked hard to find a paper that's very thin and fountain pen friendly and is cream, because the paper of the Hobonichi is also cream. And that is what we did. We found this and we were very happy, and then we launched the shop. We launched the Hobonichi kits. And that was a long time ago, back in February maybe, or March. And all the dots had been put down. I still have a few dots. I have 2. I'm going to put it down on the goal section. So I always have 2 goals in my week. There you go. And then I only have the circle stickers here, the decorative ones. I'm just gonna put it on days. Oh, no, I like that. That's cute. That do not have the headers or the label stickers. So after that, maybe 2 months ago or something, we decided to come out with a matte paper option. And then on Black Friday, and it will be explained on the video after this video, I do have an explanation of our newest paper option, and that is ideal for the photo kits because it prints so sharp. The prints are so sharp. And this is what we have so far. We only have a few stickers to go, such as these. I'm gonna go ahead and put it everywhere. I have no plans of where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this here, and then I'm gonna put the 4 over here at the other side. So because this is my school planner, I only really put any school related things here, but at the same time I keep track of any to-dos that are not school related, so I know if I have time to do stuff for school. And it's looking very, very Christmassy. There you go. So I usually use this part if I received any emails or any updates on any of the things that I am working on. And it has worked very well for me, because then if I flip through the pages and it's at the corner, then it's easy for me to look back on what has happened when I got the updates or something. And that is really, really cool. And this is what we have now, and our page is done. It looks so Christmassy. I love it so much. I love Christmas, and this is just so nice. And I'm so happy. Now let's take a look at the empties. So empties of page 1, or rather page 2 and page 1. Once again, our shop motto is no sticker left behind. So the stickers that you get in your Hobonichi Weeks kit are ideal for like using them all up in one spread. And I think that is something that's very good, because then you're not wasting anything, because for me, I just don't use my leftover stickers, and that is what we have today. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget that Countdown to Black Friday series starts tomorrow. So excited. And of course, our Black Friday sale will be on November 23rd, Friday. It will start Philippine time, and Philippine time at my noon time. So I think that's midnight Eastern Standard Time. So when it hits November 23, we should be live by then. Make sure to follow me in my social medias. So Facebook and Instagram are both paperjoyph. That is my handle. And if you want like really quick updates, see all the updates, make sure to be a part of our Facebook group, paperjoyph Planning World. And of course, if you want anything that I have mentioned today, it is from paperjoyph.com. That is my shop. We have stickers for Hobonichi, all Hobonichi books, decorative stickers, we have emoji stickers, we have a lot of stuff in the shop, and they will all go on sale very, very soon. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!